heartbreak. Be my only one, be my one on one. You're my only one, be my heartbreak. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one. Be my only one, you're my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one.
Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, I have quite the treat for you guys. We are going to be decorating a graduation party for $25, $50, $75, $100, and the Lux for Less Melanie budget-friendly way. So with that being said, I recently did an Amazon live, and during that live I shared with you guys a lot of the items that I will be showcasing in the setups on today. So if you guys would like to see those items or purchase these items for your upcoming graduation celebrations, I will leave that link down in the description box below. So without any further delay, we're going to be getting started with party number one. And you guys, you keep in mind, these can be used to or be applied to baby showers, bridal showers, birthday parties. I mean, the list goes on. Any wedding or event, these same tips, hacks, tricks can be applied to those. But, you know, I started out doing a lot of DIYs and Dollar Tree type parties, Dollar Tree budgets. Been there, done that. I'm not beyond that. And so at least once a year, I like to stop and pause and like go back to my roots to share with you guys how I got started and how I was still able to create these beautiful celebrations on a shoestring budget. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you guys on today. So let's get started with party number one without any further delay. The Lux for Less way. I'll see you there. Okay, you guys, I was in the middle of setting up this backdrop for you guys, and there was no rain in the forecast today. Rain, oh my gosh, it's still kind of raining, but look at here, this thing is still rolling. It's a go. It's a go. Y'all can see how wet it is out here. Still kind of raining, but it is still hanging up, and all I used was 2 ribbons. A backdrop like the pipe and drape stands would have never been able to withstand the wind and rain we just got. It actually held. So yeah, this is definitely a go. Definitely a go. Okay, you guys, so the rain has sort of subsided, so we are going to try this again. The backdrop I have completely hung up in the tree. I wanted to share this with you guys because if you have a $25 budget, there's no way you could do the backdrop and the stand for $25. So we used the ribbon that was enclosed with the backdrop kit. The backdrop kit came with the backdrop and balloons. And so I'm just going to run the ribbon through the base of it. And actually here I'm using fishing wire. And I'm just going to tie it down and anchor it to the ground. And we use a tree to hang it up. And so we use one of these, I think it's called an L wrench, to kind of use it as an anchor. And it held up really, really well. And so that is, for the backdrop, it's $11.99. And then for the food, we're just going to do a popcorn bar and some plates and plastic tablecloth. Of course, you can find these on Amazon or at the Dollar Tree. But when you're working with a $25 budget, you have to get really creative. So I thought a popcorn bar would be extremely budget friendly. For drinks, you could do fruit infused water. So you could do lemon water, you could do, you know, strawberry water, whatever it is that you had. One of the things that really drew me to the plates is the saying on it, and it says the best is yet to come. And I just felt like that with the popcorn bar was just absolutely amazing for $25. So that is, you can probably have 8 to 10 guests on this $25 budget. But again, the backdrop was $11.99. And then you have $13 left to spend on dollar tablecloths and plates and popcorn and any seasonings that you want to go on the popcorn. So this is your $25 setup. I will leave this link. It's in the Amazon Live, so you can shop the carousel below the Amazon Live video. Okay, you guys, so we are moving on to the $50 food and decor budget. As you can see, we have moved into the house. The weather just would not cooperate, and then it started to get really dark. So for this, I'm just going to hang up the shimmer curtains that came in the $19.99 package. The only thing I would tell you guys to be aware of is to make sure you roll it out and not, kind of pull it out, because it needs to stay detangled as you are hanging it. I'm going to hang it on my blind so that I don't damage my paint. But if I did not have blinds, then I would put up paint tape, and I would hang it over painting tape so that I would not strip or affect my paint. If you could set this up outside, you could definitely adhere it to like a brick building or anything like that. And then you just go through and add the banner that was also included. So this is going to be the whole photo backdrop, TikTok / Instagram party / I guess the other Snapchat. So this one would not have like a formal table, but more of a backdrop, balloons, and photo booth. So that's what you're kind of setting up with the $50 budget. You are setting up a photo booth area. It included a ton of props for your photo booth. And so I'm just going through and adhering all of the sticks. And I got this kit for $19.99. Again, it is linked in the Amazon video down below. I just thought it was so super cute, and it really makes for fun memories and TikTok videos and things of that nature. The $19.99 kit also includes balloons and these huge Mylar 2022 numbers. And so I created these little columns and put the numbers on it. And I just thought these would also make great pictures coupled with the props, the photo booth props. And I just put them in a little vase that would work as well, and I just think it would make really super cute pictures. And all of these things were included in the $19.99 package. As for food, you could get really creative. I decided to do a charcuterie board since there was no formal tablescape. And I found these little miniature charcuterie boards. You can also find them on Amazon. And to me, a charcuterie board is nothing more than a fancy Lunchable. So that is what we're going to have. We're going to take Lunchables and we are going to create a charcuterie board out of the Lunchables. You could invite up to, 12 guests, and you can find Lunchables sometimes 10 for $10 or $1.25 each maximum, and just really set it up really nice. And I think the children would really enjoy it, and you will be able to stay on budget. Let me know if you like that idea down below. Moving on to the $75 budget, I decided to go back and use the $12 banner that we already used in our $25 budget. I just thought, I wanted to try that one out with the layout, and you guys can kind of decide which one you like best. There is another kit that I purchased from Amazon that included 2 scrolls that could go on the front door along with the shimmer curtains. So I thought that would be super cute, especially if you're having a graduation party at your house. It would be easy for your neighbors to spot your house with the scrolls that just kind of hang on. You can hang it on your door, either side of your door. It's a really cute kit, but it also includes a backdrop, a tablecloth, a lot of things. So I really like this banner. It's like a fabric, and so I was like, let me just kind of play around with it, and we'll see what we come up with. So for this one, I decided to do a pretty simple tablescape. I found this 5-tier candelabra on Amazon. It also comes in a black color, but I found it in gold. And I thought they were very affordable and great for event planning as well. But they are around $30 a piece, so I only got one. In terms of the tablecloth, you can use what you already have, or you could rent or purchase one for like $5 from eFavorMart, and then you just add in your candles. I got these at Hobby Lobby. They were 12 in a pack for $5.99. So very inexpensive there. And I just kind of wanted to keep everything simple but really cute. And so for this one, I decided to go with more of a dessert theme for this particular tablescape. So I'm just going to put down some chargers and things like that. But we're going to make it kind of semi-casual, a semi-casual kind of like dessert after graduation, because that can be very affordable. You can pick up cupcakes and cakes and things like that from Sam's Club. Sam's makes a really good cupcake. Like their cake is really good, and you can purchase like cupcake toppers from Etsy and place those on top to make it look really fancy, and just get Sam's to do just white icing or the color of your school, and add your own toppers on your cupcake for your, you know, that luxe look that you want for your event. You can also do you know, more like custom cups and things like that, so that they could double as a gift. And you can do like these acrylic donut stands and have different types of sweets. Like you could have danishes, different types of donuts, different flavors. And you could just really get creative with this and, you know, make it work. But it's definitely more or less a dessert feel with your $75 budget, which would give you a totally different party feel. Okay, you guys, and so this is the $100 budget look. And so you guys know that you would have to pick one element, either the candles or the feathers, but you can get the feathers really inexpensive on Amazon. I also upgraded to the plates, the faux china plates. They were like 30 something dollars, but you have to break that down. I think it ends up being somewhere around maybe $1 or so a setting. And so I thought those looked really nice. And you can also get the bling tablecloth, but you want to make sure that you realize that it's for a 4-foot table, which 4 guests can normally sit at a 4-foot table. So keep that in mind when you are ordering. Also, if you want to save money, instead of doing napkin rings, you can do a knot fold on your napkins, or a different type of fold that does not require a napkin ring. And I also use that graduate backdrop in the back because I just really felt like it popped. And then to add a little bit of extra oomph to your table, you could do a quick balloon garland. I do have a tutorial that I will link down below, and you could just kind of put that on the end of the table to give it a little bit more drama. But you guys know that balloons are pretty much relatively inexpensive, and they also included in that backdrop kit that I shared with you guys on Amazon. So that is what I love about it. Like the backdrop, the balloons, and the tablecloth, the plastic tablecloth, and all of those things are already included. And I just thought it really added a lot of pop. And then speaking of pop, this balloon piece just really turned out cute. If you had some columns, they would be really cute to sit them on that. And all of those balloons are already included in your kit. And so I just made 2 sets of quads and then put the numbers on top to kind of spell out the year of 2022. I have shared with you guys how to do this ostrich feather centerpiece. You don't need that many, and this is how it turned out. So you guys, after we finished designing the tablescape, depending on what element you went with, you would have about $50 left for food. And you could definitely do a taco bar for $50. You could do spaghetti, you can do lasagna, you can do a nacho bar, a salad bar. There are so many options there. And speaking of options, I would love for you guys to comment down below and let me know what would you have on your menu for each price point. The $25, $50, $75, or $100. I really want to help as many families as I can to be able to celebrate on any budget. And last but not least, one of my, I guess, bedrock looks for less principles is to never waste anything. I got this gold gift box that I'm going to really make nice for a graduate, but also I took the fringes that broke off from the metallic fringe wall, and I am going to use those fringes in order to create that the gift wrap, or whatever you want to call this, for the inside of this gift box. And I thought it was a perfect use for it instead of just trashing it. And then Amazon have these really cool gift boxes for graduates, and Amazon gift cards are the perfect gift because graduates always need snacks and things from Amazon. So I thought that would be the perfect gift for any graduate. Hey you guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to leave me a comment down below. If you are here for the very first time, I would love to have you to be a member of the Lux for Less family. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button and you will be a member just like that. Please let me know your favorite party down in the comments below. Was it the $25 party, $50 party, $75 party, or $100 party? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, if you are interested in being an event planner, an event designer, event decorator, definitely check out Lux Academy. I will leave that link down below as well, along with the shopping list to help you find a lot of the items that I showcased in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Most of all, thank you for all of your love, your support, and your prayers. I love you guys, and I'll see you at the next video. Until next time, bye-bye.